Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, relationships just don't work out the way you want? One moment, everything is great, and the next, it's silence, misunderstandings, or even worse, losing someone you care about. What if I told you that strong, lasting relationships aren't about luck, but about a few powerful habits that anyone can learn? Let's break it down. The number one secret to any strong relationship: communication. No one is a mind reader, so if something's bothering you, talk about it. But here's the trick. It's not just about speaking, it's about listening too. Trust and respect go hand in hand. Without them, no relationship can survive. But here's the thing. Trust is built over time, and it can be broken in seconds. So always be honest and keep your promises. In a world full of distractions, quality time is gold. It's not just about being together, but actually connecting. Put the phone down, make eye contact, and create memories. Fights happen, but it's how you handle them that matters. Instead of blaming, try saying, "I feel this way when this happens." Express emotions, not accusations. Think about someone important in your life, maybe a partner, a close friend, or even family. Imagine if you applied just one of these tips today, how much stronger would your relationship be? If this video made you think, then I challenge you. Choose one tip and try it out today. And if something in this video really hit home, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.